Hi, my name is Jay Hart, Vice President over here at int2 Solutions. I'd like to take a moment and discuss a new program called University BioBasics. The BioBasics program that the team at int2 Solutions have launched is dedicated to educating and sharing information specifically about the products and process in biopharma manufacturing. We will be discussing a range of topics from how to choose the best hose for a given application, how to measure a hose, concepts like bore-to-wall ratio in unreinforced tubing, and how to measure a 3D bag. We will not be discussing the science behind chromatography or ideal cell density. There are way smarter people than myself to cover those types of topics. We will be covering the more often overlooked products and concepts that keep the plants running. We plan on releasing a new University BioBasics video at least monthly. And don't worry, all of them will not be me just standing here and talking. We will likely have some special guests speaking about topics they are extremely knowledgeable and passionate about, along with short demonstrations of concepts we discussed or a new product we think could be quite valuable in the manufacturing space. int2 Solutions has its roots going back to 1974. We have seen many changes in the industry over those years, and as the next generation enters into our industry, we believe it is our responsibility to educate, not gatekeep, what we have collectively learned. This series is to strengthen the foundation laid by the folks that came before us. Hopefully, we can all continue to learn together. If any questions should arise, or you have a topic suggestion, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and keep an eye out for future videos from int2 University.